Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do what is in my twin diaper bag. So what do I usually carry? I'm gonna try to shoot it with the boys, but I don't think the video for you. Today I'm going to show you guys what I pack in my twins diaper bag, and this is usually stuff that I take on a day-to-day basis, like a quick errand to the grocery store, to the mall, that sort of thing. I'm also going to tell you what I will also add if I'm doing like an overnight trip, but usually this is what I keep in my bag for the day-to-day errands, doctor's appointments, that sort of thing. So stay tuned to see what I pack in this bag. Let's go ahead and get started in this video. So I will have all the links to everything that I have in my diaper bag below. Most of everything came from Amazon because I was pregnant during the pandemic, so there was no running out to go grab anything. I had to pretty much do all of my shopping online. Okay, all right, so first I highly recommend a backpack if you have babies, but especially if you have twins or multiples. You just have a lot more space to put a lot more things, and it's also a little bit easier to get organized. All right, so let's go ahead and dig into the bag. So one of the things I purchased were actually these little boxes. They're all labeled like feed me, change me, that sort of thing. So it makes it really easy to keep organized. Anytime you have twins or multiples or babies in general, organization is key. So I highly recommend these boxes. They come in different patterns, and like I said, you can find it on Amazon, Etsy, probably even Target, but I got these particular ones from Amazon. So of course you're going to need formula. So to make it easier for me, and also because I have screaming babies, what I always recommend getting pre-mixed formula. So essentially only thing I have to do is just pop on a nipple, and I can feed this and just keep it moving. But if that's not an option, or if your formula doesn't come in the liquid kinds like that, I definitely recommend this. It helps keep your formula organized, so you can put, you know, 2, 3, 4 scoops, however many scoops you need. You can slide it, keeps everything neat and organized. It's made from Avent, and so each one of my boys have one, and it can fit at least 3 to 4 scoops, which was essentially can help with a 6 to 8 ounce bottle. So definitely highly recommend this if your formula doesn't come in the liquid kind, the bottles. Definitely get this, put your formula in here. For this is enough for 3 feedings, which is approximately about 9 hours. And everything fits in this bag, and of course you can get the bottles as well. All right, and then here's my second babies. So another thing that's very important will be burp cloths. Burp cloths are so important. They spit up on you. You can wipe your nose, a spill, a bottle may spill. Like they just have multiple uses. So you're gonna need tons of burp cloths. I have tons of these because they come in handy. They really, really do. They're crucial. All right, next I have another one of these bags here. It's called, this one says change me. So what I just like to keep inside of this one will be the Aquaphor, which is the diaper cream that I like to use. I also have the diapers. Right now they're both in size 1. These are Pampers Dry, and these are also the Pampers Swaddle. So these are actually newborn, so I need to make sure I change that. I have a lot of newborn actually, so I'm gonna have to get rid of those. What I also keep in here are toiletry size lotion as well as baby wipes, because you never know, I may end up spending the night with somewhere, so at least I have some travel size toiletries that I can clean them with. And all of that just stays here in their nice little home. It stays neat, and when I change them, I literally just have to only grab this green bag and I can go. So you want to be easy, you want to be quick, you know, you want to be organized. These bags are what keep me organized, and it also keeps everything compacted inside. And as you can see, it can hold a lot of diapers, so definitely recommend this. Of course, with diapers are wipes, so I always keep wipes inside the bag, but with my particular diaper bag, it also has a diaper pouch here as well, so I can access it from the outside or through the zipper. You can never have too many wipes for wipes down spills, poopy diapers, urine diapers, you name it, they come in handy. You can never have too many wipes, never. So I always keep an extra pack of wipes. Next, dress me, okay? So anytime you have babies up and even to their toddlers, you always want to keep extra clothes. And so usually what I like to do, I like to keep some onesies just because it's easy, it's quick, and just in case it's cold or not. So I do keep onesies. And I love zippers. I highly recommend zippers instead of snaps, especially at nighttime, because believe me, when you're tired and you have to change that diaper, who wants to deal with snaps? Your baby be all twisted up. Just a mess. But now that they're bigger boys, I also have just like some little sweats as well as a little onesie. So if I want them to have something that's like a little bit more casual, sweats and a little onesie. So we're gonna stuff that back in there. And although they're similar colors, the shirts are different. Usually I don't dress them as twins, but there are times I like to kind of have fun and I will dress them as twins, but they may wear coordinated colors or the same outfit just in different colors. So we're gonna put all of that back in a changing bag. And again, there's 4 onesies in here, 2 pair of sweatpants and 2 onesies. And then I just put 2 burp cloths. And as you see, it has plenty of space. The zipper is not pulling. I recommend these. All right, next I have this little toiletry kit here. It doesn't have much in it because I have downsized. So I do keep Q-tips that are safe for using their nose or their ears, a comb, a thermometer, a nail clipper, and then a bulb aspirator. So I do keep all of that in here. Just to make it easier for me in case they feel a little ill or something. I can check their temperature. The aspirator, you can never go wrong with that. The only thing about the bulb aspirator, I recommend a Frida or something similar, because with these you can't really sterilize them and you don't want to have mold or anything. But because it's more so for emergency purposes only, I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, so just nail clippers, comb, a thermometer to check their temperature just in case they're feeling a little hot or warm, and then some baby safe Q-tips. So I keep that. I take this with me everywhere I go. It is a noise machine. This was a gift, but I believe they got it from Amazon. So it has white noise, heartbeat, rain, shh, and you can also of course do a lullaby. The great thing about this one is that I actually have the ability to record my voice, so my boys can hear my voice while they sleep. So it will alternate between my voice and then the lullaby songs. So it's absolutely amazing. It does have an auto switch if you would like to do the auto switch. It is battery operated. Highly recommend a noise machine. Anytime we go out in public, I always turn on the white noise so it can block everything out and they can sleep peacefully while I go grocery shopping. So get you one. And again, I will have the links to everything below that I can find for you or something similar. This came included with my diaper bag, but I highly recommend it because you don't want to put your baby on that changing table, especially with everything that's going on. There's no telling how many other babies been on it. And I have never seen them clean a diaper changing table in public. So I highly recommend getting one of these if your diaper bag does not come included with one. And then lastly, I have this. This was gifted with my stroller, but I definitely recommend it. It's for holding wet clothes. So clothes that get soiled from urine or spit up or anything like that, you can keep it in here. It will keep your bag dry and other things dry. And you can easily just take this, take it to the laundry and get that stuff washed and clean. So I highly recommend some sort of wash bag. And that is pretty much the gist. I have a couple of other things in here that I recommend, like tissues. I do keep Germex in here. Let's see what else I have. And that's pretty much it. Now, just to kind of give you a quick tour of this diaper bag, they do have pockets everywhere. So I like that they have the front pockets. This large area is so I can easily grab access to my things. I do have face wipes. They're safe for the face, I can easily grab. And then usually what I like to do is keep the diapers here, like so I don't have to reach from the top. I can just easily reach right here. You do have, of course, to keep your wipes. This is to keep your bottles, and it's insulated. You do have a laptop pocket here, which I think is awesome. Again, you can carry a couple more bottles here, and it's insulated. And then, of course, you have another pocket here that is fairly deep. Lastly, it does come with shoulder straps, as well as straps that can go on your stroller, and it's built in. So I highly recommend it. It's breathable. It does come with the handheld as here. So I really, really love this bag. I love the color. It is waterproof, so it wouldn't get stains and that sort of thing. So it's a great diaper bag. Again, I highly recommend getting these organization boxes. They're cute. They keep you organized. They keep you sane. And they do not cost a lot of money. All the stuff comes from Amazon. You should get it within 1 to 2 days if you have Prime. So highly recommended. I will have everything linked below. So definitely stay tuned, because tomorrow I will be vlogging on how I'm packing my bag, but for a day trip. I'll be going about 3 hours away from here to visit some family. So definitely stay tuned. Watch that video so I can show you how I pack my car and how I get the kids ready for a 3.5 hour trip, and how I keep them calm. So stay tuned for that. Until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to all my new subbies. Thank you to the ones who come back to watch this video to learn more. Please comment below anything you want to see. If you have any questions on how I stay organized, how I take care of my twin boys, or anything you have about kids or twins or multiples in general, I'll be happy to answer. Just put that down below. Any video ideas or anything you want to see, definitely let me know, and I'll also have that below as well. But until next time, you guys, be blessed. I will see you next time.